Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
You begin by preparing the essentials. Open a Telegram channel with a public username and set a focused niche so your recommendations land. Once done, join 1 to 3 affiliate programs that fit that niche and retrieve your tracking links and commission rates. While you configure channel settings, prepare a simple content plan, daily value posts, occasional product reviews, and dedicated affiliate posts. Make sure to pin rules and a disclosure statement so subscribers understand affiliate links and why you recommend those products. Now you implement the middle steps. Create content pillars, how-to tutorials, short reviews, and case studies so you always know what to publish. You should mix formats. Concise text posts, image carousels, and polls to boost engagement. Include exactly 1 tracking link per affiliate post and a brief benefit-driven call to action. Once scheduled, use simple tracking: clicks, CTR, conversions, and top-performing messages. Make adjustments weekly. Double down on high CTR offers and drop low performers to optimize revenue. To finish, optimize and scale. Review analytics, repeat top-performing message formats, and rotate calls to action every 2 to 4 weeks so your audience stays responsive. You should /B test headlines and link placement to squeeze more clicks. Keep disclosures visible for trust and compliance. If you see no conversions, troubleshoot. Verify tracking links work, assess traffic quality, and confirm the offer matches audience needs. Finally, make small price or incentive changes and retest quickly to recover momentum.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.